Hello, welcome to another 2-minute review, and we are going vegan yet again. Or rather, suitable for vegans. I don't even know what that means. It's either... Anyway, I'm not vegan, but I'm trying these things. And this time we are going with Bird's Eye. Fuming! They make the best beef burgers ever, probably. And the best fish fingers ever, probably. But now they're going vegan. Green Cuisine is what they say. 2 meat-free burgers. A lot of water in them. Well, the packaging anyway, it's dripping. But that's because I've left the packaging out of the freezer. Anyway, Green Cuisine, we take specially selected variety of pea. We take all the protein goodness from the dried peas, add our unique combination of herbs and spices for a succulent taste experience that's rich in protein and a source of fibre. Problem is, how much room does it need in a field to make enough peas to make one of these? And if that was a field full of cows, would it be more economically viable to have a cow rather than waiting for peas to grow? See, I'm not convinced about this vegan thing. Anyway, ingredients are pea protein, 66%, pea protein mince, wool grain, oat flour, rapeseed oil, potato starch. So it's not gluten free. And cooking instructions: 20 minutes in the oven. What's that say there? Making a difference with responsibly sourced and prepared food every day. Every day. Well, what do they taste like? What do they look like? Never mind what do they taste like. Well, I'll tell you what they look like. They look like that. That's what they look like. So they look like burgers. But do they taste like burgers? And more importantly, if I didn't know they were vegan and I was eating them, would I know they were vegan? That's how I judge these things. Have a brain. So, cuts in it. Well, it cuts alright. Steams as well. You can see the steam on it, but it's steaming away there. It looks meaty. Would I know these were vegan? Well, could I tell? To look at, no. They look meaty. Oh, there we go. Got some gristle. What's that? You know what? I probably wouldn't. If I didn't know these were vegan and you fed them to me, not that I'd eat them because I don't eat anything that I've not cooked myself, unless I go to McDonald's or KFC or whatever. But that's beside the point. If you cooked these for me and I did eat them, unlikely, but you know, just in case, would I know these were vegan? And the answer is no. Fuming! That means I'm going to have to give Bird's Eye Green Cuisine 2 burgers, meat free, 5 stars. Unbelievable. Till next time, goodbye.